How to fix error code 0x8019019a with Yahoo Mail in Windows Mail. Step 1. Remove your account from the Windows Mail app. Open the Mail app. Click the Settings icon. Click the Manage Accounts. Then select Yahoo. From the options, select Delete Account from this device. Click the Delete option. Step 2. Go into your online Yahoo account and generate an app password. Go to yahoo.com and click Next to log into your account. Click on your profile. Click on Account Security. Scroll down and click on Generate App Password. Name the app and click on the Generate Password button. Step 3. Sign into your account using the app-generated password. Open the Mail app. Click the Accounts. Select Add Account. Click Other Account, POP, IMAP. Enter your email, password, and account name. Click on Done. Don't delete the generated password from your Yahoo account. If you do, you'll see the error again and be forced to generate another password and log into your account again. Thanks for watching.